You searched how to buy shares of Terns Pharmaceuticals Inc. Terns Pharmaceuticals is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical firm developing small molecule therapies. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker TERN, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can make a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TERN to find Terns Pharmaceuticals Inc. Check the search results carefully to select the correct NASDAQ listing. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker to ensure you have the correct TERN listing. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your TERN position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same step-by-step process.